Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin pullback. Do we have a bearish retest of the 200 simple moving average on the weekly time frame? The bulls hope not. So previously you had a weekly pump up here to this level that has been previous support on many occasions on huge market pullbacks. Panic situation. Previously called the low of the 2018 bear market as well. Bounce on the 200 simple. Now a bearish retest of this level would not be a bullish idea. This is the Bitcoin daily chart. You see these doji candles where you have these thin candle bodies and these huge wicks. Like those are indecision. And we're going to talk about that in just a second. But then you've got this huge red candle. And so we talked about this in the trading group as a perfect bull trap scenario. And let's see how it plays out. But if you go to the 8-hour chart we were looking at, you see these doji candles are now sideways price action, and then it just rolls over. So in the trading group yesterday, I made a video just for the group and said, hey, listen, here's your upside target, but this would be the perfect spot for a bull trap because this could form a rising wedge and you see much lower prices out of Bitcoin, right? As soon as you lose this level. This has been some of the most scammy price action. Like, look at these crazy long wicks, right? Long wick reversals. I talk about that all the time as good entries. But you've had this crazy volatility. Whales are here to trick you. So anyways, we want to focus on daily candle close. We got the stock market opening later on. We're going to talk about what stocks have to do to help Bitcoin pull off any type of miracle here. Not amazing at this point. This Bitcoin 2-hour chart. So every whale knows that we're having this conversation as breakout traders. And that's why hurry up, learn what breakout traders do and trade like, and then understand the whales are going to trick them and try to take their money. And so you have to start buying support, and not these breakouts, right? So you have to understand, like I've got a course, I teach breakout trading. You have to learn that. And then I've got more advanced courses where you're learning how to essentially open at support, buy oversold bounces, double bottoms, bullish divergence, and takes you through everything. But you got to learn how everybody else trades. This is a game where you learn what other people are going to do and you do it before them. It's like chess. You have to think a couple moves ahead. So have this price action was being compressed and you got this breakout to the upside. Now you got your low, your high, your higher low, and this is a higher high. So what has to happen right here is the bulls need a bounce and a retest here. Bulls could save the day. This breaks back into the pattern. This becomes a bull trap. One thing about trading is I think people and humans in general always want everything like a light switch, on or off, yes or no, right? And there's always different ideas on multiple time frames in this market. And so you have to manage risk based on your trading strategy and skill set. So there's not a lot of definites in this market, but who cares what Bitcoin's doing when these altcoins on Kucoin, gem pick bangers, are up 43%, 35, 35, 32, 31, 26, 24, 21, 20. It's not about Bitcoin. Bitcoin just gives us the signals on the buys, but these coins on Kucoin don't care. Make an account over there. I'm telling you guys, it's the easiest and best trading you'll ever see. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. So this person, he's been scalp trading. 2%, 5% trades, making 60 to 100 bucks a trade while he's at work. Essentially, just based on this number, he 56x'd his money. And I said, well, how much did you start with? And how long did it take? He said, I started May 17th, 7 weeks ago. As a strategy, he never traded before. This person wanted to thank me. He made $5,000 in 3 days. Person turned $9,000 into $75,000. The reason we're able to do this is because we're not sitting on our hands. We're not holding these coins. We're trading the market both ways. And these are new traders. And I can teach you. And we're trading the gem pick bangers. If you sign up this week, I'm still giving a huge discount. 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. This is from the last 2 days. 15%, 20%, 30%, 30%, 39, 42, 20, 20, 20, 22, 25, 34, 96%. This is just 2 days of trading. We do this every single day. All right, let's talk about these dojis real quick. So dojis, a lot of times call market reversals, call price action reversals. So they all have different names. And when you get these skinny candle bodies, these dojis are essentially saying there's indecision between the bulls and the bears. Dojis quite often found at the top or bottom of the trends and can be considered a sign of a reversal, but not always. So you'll get a couple dojis in a row, and then the next candle is going to call the move. So now, to save the day, here it is. The bulls need this bounce. Like I said, you got low, high, higher low, higher high. It's an uptrend. Don't want to see the bulls lose this level, or you're looking for lower prices out of Bitcoin, period. The bulls have to bounce here and close the daily up here. This market, weekends, is super scammy. You need to move the price because there's not a whole lot. All the big institutions are not trading right now. And so smaller whales can move the market. They're trying to trick you. They're trying to take your money. Bitcoin 1 hour chart, bull trap here, bull trap here. This market is freaking crazy. But you have to acknowledge that it's crazy and know that you're just trying to take other people's money before they take yours. All right, stock market, and here's what it is. It's going to call the move. If there's any hope for Bitcoin, it's right here. This is at this resistance level, at this resistance level, at this resistance level. So this thing gets rejected. You're looking for a move down here. If that breaks, you've got tremendous amounts of downside possible, right? So when futures market open later, right? This is ES1 exclamation point, S&P E-mini futures. Need a bullish retest, breakout upside for Bitcoin to get drug higher. This thing opens and heads lower. It's going to drag Bitcoin down fast. It's Sunday night, Monday morning. Always look for volatility out of this market. Killer altcoin trading on the weekends. You just need the volatility, whether it's dumping or pumping. You trade both ways. That's the key to success in this market, period. If you're a bull all the time, you're going to be bored in a bear market, period. When this thing bounces and takes off, you get good trading, but you got to be able to trade the market both ways. That's all there is to it. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.